Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are discussing the chapter called Conservation of Plants and Animals for Class 8. We have already discussed the definition of conservation and the causes and consequences of deforestation. We have also discussed protected areas declared by the government like National Park, Wildlife Sanctuary and Biosphere Reserve. Today we are going to discuss the differences between these three protected areas, that is wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserve. First of all, national parks, these are the places or these are the areas which aim to conserve the species of habitat with minimal or very low intensity of human activity. Therefore, here in national park, habitat, the species of plants and animals are conserved. Features of national parks are that no human body is allowed to reside inside the park. Only human beings which are employed in forest department are allowed to stay inside, and that too with the permission of Chief Wildlife Warden. In sanctuaries, the conservation of species and the conservation of habitat is done, and similar to national park, no human body is allowed to reside inside the sanctuary. Only human beings which are allowed to stay inside are the forest personnel and with the permission of Chief Wildlife Warden. In Biosphere Reserve, both natural resources, that means animals, plants and the culture of that place is conserved. So unlike national parks and sanctuaries, here in Biosphere Reserve, both natural and human influence ecosystem, that means villages are there. So unlike national park and sanctuaries, human beings are allowed to stay in the Biosphere Reserve in a rural setup. Now we will be discussing the difference between national park and wildlife sanctuary. National parks are more restricted area and wildlife sanctuaries are less restricted area. So national park is not allowed for people. If you want to go inside national park, you need to have a ticket, whereas wildlife sanctuary is open for general public. So if you require to enter into the national park, you need require tickets and permissions, whereas in wildlife sanctuary you do not require any ticket or permission to visit a wildlife sanctuary. National park has a definite boundary, whereas a wildlife sanctuary does not have a specific boundary. National park cannot be used by the general public for collecting any material like fruit or firewood, whereas in wildlife sanctuary, general public can use these resources like fruits and firewood. Example of national park is Jim Corbett National Park, which is situated in Uttarakhand, whereas example of wildlife sanctuary is Krishna Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Now we will be discussing the difference between wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. Wildlife sanctuary is an area where animals are protected from possible dangers or human activities such as hunting. So their habitat is also conserved in this area, whereas in biosphere reserve it is a large protected area. That means the area of biosphere is larger than the wildlife sanctuary and are constructed for the conservation of biodiversity, and this biodiversity include plant, animals and the tribal people. Wildlife sanctuary provides protection and suitable living condition to wild animals, whereas biosphere reserve helps in conservation of various life forms such as plants, animals and microorganisms. Example of wildlife sanctuary is Pachmadi Wildlife Sanctuary and Biosphere Reserve is Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. Now we will be studying the difference between zoo and wildlife sanctuary. Zoo is a facility in which animals are kept for public exhibition. That means in zoo we are keeping animals for public exhibition or for entertainment purpose and not for their conservation. Whereas in wildlife sanctuary, animals stay in their natural habitat and they are protected or they are conserved from the possible dangers. So, and their habitat is also conserved. Zoo is therefore an artificial habitat, whereas wildlife sanctuary is natural habitat. In our next lecture, we will be discussing the topic biological diversity or biodiversity. Thank you.